And yes, the legal factor. I'm also in the verge, or I'm also in that place of really learning how to understand these terms and conditions. Like I mentioned earlier on, I speak these things not because I know them or because I'm an expert in it, but I speak these things because I know when I speak to you, I'm speaking to myself. In business, we've always learned that business is all about trust. Business is all about, building something that is clear. Just making sure that if you're going to do things with, just making sure that if you're going to do a contract or in business, you have to make sure that you understand the terms and the conditions. One of the things that we really emphasize on is that understand the terms and the condition, understand the fine print, understand what it means to be legally literate. Being legally literate is very important, and it just doesn't apply only on business, but it can also apply on your personal life, because you can be on the side of the law, that is, you can be on the wrong side of the law, and if you don't know how to protect yourself, and if you don't know how to, if you don't know your rights as a person, or if you don't know your constitution as a citizen of Zimbabwe or as a citizen of any country, you're always going to be on the wrong side of the law. And it doesn't matter if it's a law enforcement officer, it doesn't matter if it's a thief or someone who's trying to steal from you. But if you don't stand for yourself, if you don't understand, or if you don't come to a place where you understand your terms and conditions, you understand what you want to bring, and you understand what you need or what you deserve, you always fall short. I'm in the process. We are in the process as Creative Thinker Inc. to really build that. We're in the process to really make sure we build a community where we get to understand the terms and the conditions, and also where we get to understand the fine print. I'm also to blame. Sometimes you just sign things, but you don't really get to know. So those key things are important.